Hi beauties, let's try out these new Wosado magnetic lashes. It is actually my first time to try out magnetic lashes and I don't know how long it's going to take me to install them, but yes, let's do this. I had already unboxed them. This is how the packaging looks like. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my god. So when you open, it has a QR code that you can scan to get the instructions. I already did that off video. And yeah, you will understand so many things. This is how it looks inside. Yep, the Wosado eyelash fixer. It comes with the pack with the lashes, with the magnetic lashes. So okay. Okay, I think we are done here. Now it's time to fix the magnetic lashes. Okay, it will show you left and right. Let's start with the right. When you open up, it's like this. You have to split. Oh my god, my nails. So you have to split them like this. Oh my god, what goes up, what goes down? There is white. I think white goes down. Oh my god. Oh my god. So the blue, you can see the little blue goes up. Oh my god. Okay. So it has to be like this. What happened? Oh my god. So this is literally my second trial. Okay, here we go. Right down. Let's do this. So you can see the eye with the Wosado magnetic lashes and this without. So let's do the left eye. Oh my god. Oh my god. And they are very lightweight. I think it's even easier to get them off. Oh my god. Jeez.